So we're going to do this really fun mantra meditation chant together. And what's really special about this is that this is called the miracle mantra. And the miracle mantra is simply about tuning into this frequency, this vibration of miracles, and feeling that throughout our bodies, feeling that sound vibration like moving through like our own systems, and amplifying that like out into the universe. So it's essentially thinking about like you're hooking yourself and tuning yourself into a specific frequency, and then really just going along on the ride of that particular momentum and that particular frequency that's literally been circling the planet and the solar system for, I don't know, like thousands and thousands of years, right? So that's what I want you to do. So we're going to tune in to the higher self, to the more expansive self, like through this, and really become a magnet for prosperity, for miracles, and just remembering that a miracle simply means a shift in perception. So it could be something as simple as you've been looking at a problem in a certain way, and then all of a sudden, like boom, like a completely new, like different perspective comes in and is really of assistance to you in that way. So it's really fun and it's really easy. I'm just going to explain the basics of it, and then we're going to go into the actual meditation, and we're only going to do 3 minutes. So what we're going to be chanting are the words Guru Guru Wahe Guru Guru Ram Das Guru. And it is supposed to be this kind of tongue twisting experience in your mouth, because what we want to do is like hit all of these different pressure points in the mouth that are activating all of these different things, like sending this beautiful signal, these beautiful vibrations throughout your whole system. So we're going to take a deep breath in. And then we're going to say Guru Guru Wahe Guru Guru Ram Das Guru 5 times on that one breath. So if you're new to this, just know that it's going to take a little bit of practice. You're going to mess up, you're going to fumble through it, and you're going to figure it out. And the point here is to just let it be fun. Just let it be fun and let it be silly. You can kind of dance around to the music. It's a fun little groove. And just tune in to that frequency of joy and of miracles and expansion and prosperity. So we're going to have the hands here in Gyan Mudra. So if you are like me and you enjoy like sitting like this, you can do that and have your hands here. You can also just sit like upright in a chair. The most important thing is that your spine is straight, and that your whole body is straight, so that there's a very clear channel of movement for all of those energy centers. I'm just gonna move a little closer so you can see me. And so I'm gonna sit up with spine straight, hands are in Gyan Mudra, deep breath in, eyes are closed, and we're gonna just really kind of focus on this alignment. And you'll know you're in the right alignment when you're just really sitting up straight. You might need a little bolster underneath you if that feels good, if that helps you feel more aligned. And you're just gonna tuck the chin in just like a teeny bit, like a centimeter, half an inch down. Okay, so if I'm normally like this, I'm gonna go like that. Okay, and that's it. So big deep breath in, Guru Guru Wahe Guru Guru Ram Das Guru 5 times on that one breath, and then exhale. And then we're going to do that for 3 minutes. And at the end of that 3-minute period of time, we're just going to take another deep breath in. And this time we're going to squeeze the root lock. So the root lock is the anus, sex organs, all of this lower area. And we're going to squeeze that, pushing that energy up the central channel of the spine, all the way up through the energy centers, through the third eye, through the crown of the head. And I want you to just imagine yourself, the energy coming up out here and kind of creating this like toric field of energy, circling back around through the lower chakras and then up, and then doing it again, right? So you can visualize this toric field of energy growing which is a very, very magnetic practice for you to do in general. So we're going to end with 3 of those, and I'm going to guide you through it. It's going to be really fun. It's going to be really easy. All right, so let's get ready.